Thank you
Awesome.
so much.
I should have recorded the last line, where you become fan of Orange
Yes,
States.
definitely. I have become a fan after the session. It was a long day, but truly, it was worth it. Every minute was worth it because I learned a lot of new things which I didn't know of. So yes, really nice. You're doing a really fab job.
Thank
So
you.
all the
Thank you
very
so
best.
much. Thank you so much. And trust me, all this motivation comes like you said, right? That it was a new learning for you. And when you said that, it's a kick for us. It kicks us and not kicks us that way, but it gives that kick to us that we are on the right direction and we have to keep on doing better and better and better and better. So next time when you see something, it'll be again you'll learn something new out of it. Even if the topic is the same, you'll learn something new. So that's where innovation happens. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for the appreciation. And yeah, LearnFest was a big learning for all of us. So yes, thank you once again. Anybody would like to share something? um
I even like the self-paced courses. I've enrolled for few, and I can just go whenever I have time, read a module, submit or turn in if there is an assignment, and then again go back. So there is no hurry. So
yeah,
I really like that idea.
thank you so much. Yeah, right, Parul ma'am, you have got the self-paced courses. So again, the idea of self-paced course was, since we are discussing about this self-paced course, the idea exactly was that we don't want to create like 1 hour 2 hour modules. They're short because teachers really don't have time. So the thought process was that let's create shorter nuggets. The entire course is also small, say 1.5 2 hours. But even that 10-minute teacher get 10 minutes if it's a travel time or it's a break time. 10 minutes take home module, answer the reflection question. That's the time you can spend for yourself in a day. So that was the idea of creating. So we follow a lot of design thinking pedagogy. So we spoke with a lot of teachers, and that's where we realized that teachers really don't have time in the busy schedule of planning and ye karna, wo karna, parent ko bilna, a lot of things. So we said 10 minutes is a time that teachers can take out. So let's have our nuggets between 10 to 15 minutes, of course, wherever possible, and have smaller nuggets. So thank you, Parul ma'am, and if it helps, that's really great. Awesome. So we are at 6 o'clock. We always say that we begin at Orange State Standard Time, which is 6 o'clock for this session. So thank you. So hello, good evening, everyone. Myself, Roshali Sheth, and I'm co-founder, product head, Orange States. But today I'm not the co-founder, product head. Today I'm going to speak as a Google certified trainer, innovator, educator, and technology. I'm a tech geek, if I can put it that way. Whenever I see a tool, I feel like isko classroom mein kaise leke jana is the first question that I ask myself, and then I try to talk to a lot of teachers. So honestly speaking, I miss going to classroom. I was a teacher myself. I've taught in schools, I've taught in college. I used to teach BSc physics students. I am a master's in physics. I used to teach physics for BSc. And that's where I miss my class going to classroom, but I speak to a lot of teachers and they help me to give the classroom experience. So yeah, and Padlet. I'll just Pallavi ma'am, I'm marking you on mute. Thank you. Okay. All right. So yeah, so Padlet, we'll go into Padlet, of course, and we'll be digging deeper into that. But before that, I just want to bring to your notice that okay, tools, um, like we were discussing, I'm sure a lot of teachers are not there. We just discussed that schools before and schools now, after 2 years, are very different. Okay, and that's where we felt as teachers that we need to upgrade ourselves. But what I want you all to just think about it is the tools, the strategies are now not independent of each other. Any tool is a part of your lesson plan now. It is not I'll use Padlet, I'll use Nearpod. No. My lesson plan has an activity where Padlet is a part of it. My lesson plan has, say, augmented reality and it has Nearpod as a part of it. I don't have a session on Padlet. Correct? So what we teachers have to understand is that tools are no longer a separate conversation. They are part of your teaching. Okay, so please make a habit of using these tools in your integrating these tools in seamlessly. Don't treat it as a separate entity now. Okay, because again, we are preparing our students for future. Future is unknown. We did not know 2 years back that we are going to teach online, right? So we have to be innovative in using techniques which will make our students happy. So that's what we all are here for. And I really appreciate you all being here with us, with Orange Slates in the entire journey. All right, with this in mind, let's begin today's session. We are going to explore Padlet and how we can use Padlet in various subjects, various activities, and so on. I'm not yet. Yes, we'll be taking up questions in the end, of course. And if there is anything you can keep on posting in the chat, I'll be looking at the chat. All right. So now I'll start sharing. I have not yet shared my screen. Now I'll share my screen, Pallavi ma'am. All right. So, all right. Okay. Is my screen visible? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so all of you, Padlet, just go on Google and type Padlet. I love the tagline of Padlet. You are beautiful. That's the tagline of Padlet. All right, click here. If you have an account with Padlet, you can log in or you can sign up for free. All right, I already have a login, so I'll click on login. You can enter your email ID, password. I use login with Google. It's simple. You don't have to remember any password. Just log in using Google. Log in using Google. It will show you the list of accounts that you have. I log in using my Gmail ID. All right, let's go. So this is how you create. So I did not, my ID was not registered. So this is in front of you. I did these 4 steps and I am at the Padlet homepage. So it is so simple. All right. Now this is a free version where you can create 3 Padlets as you saw as an instruction, but I'll show you a workaround. See, as Orange Slate, those who were part of LearnFest, they have got a 20% off on annual subscription of Padlet and the goodie bag. All right. You can opt for that. For those who are using the free version, you don't have to worry. Of course, having a paid version gives you a lot of liberty of creating a lot of Padlets. A paid version, yeah. Free version, we can create a workaround. All right. So we'll do both. Now, this is the home page of Padlet. This is how the homepage looks like. It's very simple. If you join a Padlet, this means that if somebody else has created a Padlet and you want to join that Padlet, you can click here. First, we learn how to make a Padlet. All right. So let's create a Padlet, make a Padlet. When you click on make a Padlet, you will have all these options. These are the various types of Padlet that you can create. Every Padlet has its own unique use. Okay. We'll be creating all one Padlet, but we'll be focusing on all the features of Padlet first in the first one. So let's create a wall Padlet. Wall Padlet is generally used if you want to ask for feedback, if you are collating any information, if you want the students to share their opinion. All right, so this wall Padlet is where it comes as chits on wall. So that's how I'll be sharing this Padlet and we'll see how it looks when you enter something. All right. Let's understand what are the changes that you can make in the Padlet, how you can change the template, how you can give the name first. As soon as you click on any template of Padlet, this is how it opens. You can give the title of the Padlet. So this is wall template demo. You can give anything. Of course, you can say share your opinion based on what is the objective that you want to achieve with this activity. All right. You can write description. Students should write their opinion. Sorry, opinion. All right. This link, you will get it later as well if you want to change the wallpaper. Now suppose this is a wallpaper which is stars. If you're doing geography or if you're talking about galaxy or planets or something like that, where they're sharing about whether Pluto is a planet or not, and if yes, why, if no, why. This is where they have to write opinion. This is a very nice background. If you're doing something about science, or if you're doing something about say mathematics and you want them to write something, you can use solid colors. You can have gradients. So this is how you can change the background also. You can see what looks good. You can give textures also. So this is a pencil if you're talking about leaves, brick, or if you want them to get a feeling of jungle, so camouflage. Sorry. So these are various textures, or you can use pictures. So these are the pictures. You want to use a green board. They have written blackboard, but it's actually a green board. So give them a feeling of school when they write on school, right? You want a historic, if it's based on some history or World War or something like that, then you can use background like this. So these are various backgrounds that you can use. All right, you can explore. Or you can add your own wallpaper. If you have something of some picture of your own, you can add your own wallpaper as well. Click here, upload a picture. You can upload, take a photo or upload a photo, or you can draw also. If you are very good at drawing on the laptop or desktop, you can do that as well. All right, so that's adding a wallpaper. What kind of font do you want? You can choose. So again, it's simple, just clicks and you can choose your font. Display author name over. So do you want the author's name about, so you want your student's name to come? It is better you select this. Otherwise, what happens is you will get student 1, student 2, student 3, which we don't want. It's very confusing, right? If you want anonymous responses, then deselect this. Because sometimes if student's name come, then they feel scared. Oh, what will happen if my answer is wrong, right? If you want that student's name should not come, it just should be anonymous, then you can deselect this. Do you want to give reactions? So Padlet is also used. So I have seen a lot of schools internationally in other countries, they use Padlet as voting as well. So what happens is they do projects where students click pictures, they upload it on Padlet, and then students have to vote how many upvotes you get, how many downvotes you get. Based on that you get points. All right, so you can have likes or number of likes. So if, for example, there is one photo which got 40 likes, another photo got 30 likes, the 40 likes wala photo will get first prize, something like that. So that's how you can actually have your projects here as well. All right, so reactions, I said okay fine, I can give a heart. Do you want to moderate? Now right now I'm not doing that, but where you are in classroom and you have some really active student, I will say hyperactive students in the classroom, and you want to moderate the comment first and then it comes on screen, so that you know that it should not be an unnecessary comment, right? Then you can have require approval. All right, right now I'm not selecting, but you can, as a teacher, you have that control that you will be able to filter what kind of comments are coming on screen. Okay, is there any question? Then my domain, map to my domain is the paid feature. So this is my free version. If at all I have a paid version, it will come as orangeslates.padlet.com. So it is customized domain for those who have paid. All right. I go on next. And as part that we did, editing the background, editing the font, the attributes, whatever the features we saw, it is common for all your Padlets. It's the same for all your Padlets. Any kind of Padlet you create, it's the same thing. Okay. Any questions in features?
No, ma'am.
Sure.
Yeah, can I ask?
Yes, please, please.
Yeah, actually, I have been using Padlet for a long time and I was using the paid version.
Okay.
So probably I have created more than 24, 25, but
Awesome.
now there is no option. So the way you went through the Google thing, if I go through that, then will I be able to create something, a
Yeah, of
separate kind
course.
of a thing?
Yeah,
Again,
you
because the
can.
one that I have created, there is no option. Unless I pay, they are not allowing me.
No, you can use some other ID, right? You would have your email, official ID and school, school ID and
Okay,
your personal
okay,
ID.
all
You
right,
can
all
use
right.
any other ID.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. And I request you to rename yourself. I can see ID1015.s. And I don't like calling you that
I'll
name.
do
It
that.
looks very awkward. Thank
Yeah,
you.
I'll do that.
Thank you so much. I appreciate. All right, coming back. Yeah. So now, like I said, features are same. Yes, Sudeepa, ma'am, you have a question.
Ma'am, I just would like to know whether this recording will be uploaded.
On YouTube?
Ah.
Yes, yeah, it'll be up. This the session is free and we are charging for the certificate. This will be uploaded on YouTube, and again, it will be whoever wants to view later can view.
Oh, fine. Thank you, ma'am.
You're most welcome. All right. Okay. So like I said, the features are same for all the type of Padlet that we have. Now how do we start posting and how it looks like and how will we share? Okay, this is what we are going to look at. As you can see here, these are few buttons on the top of your screen. First is heart. Heart is actually marking it as important. All right. So if I mark it here, then this becomes in my home page, it will look differently. So when we go on home page, I'll show you. Remake is making a copy of this Padlet. So it gets remade. All right, now share. Share. When I click on share, these are so many options that I get. All right. I can invite members. So I can add email IDs and I can invite members. So for example, add members. I can use vrishali.shade@orangeslates.com. I can add. See, this is where I am. Add. Now, when we add email ID, I can option of can read only, can write, can edit, can administer. So as a teacher, I have control of, if you want to share, suppose I'm teaching in 6th A, I teach science, and there is some other teacher teaching in 6th B in science. All right. So I can give her rights to, can edit. Maybe she wants to edit the name or some. As a teacher, we can edit, but to students, we just give an option of write. Now, suppose you created some interesting notes on Padlet. All right. Then you can give option to students only to read, because these are notes. They can just read and make their own notes, but they cannot edit the main Padlet. So as a teacher, you have all those controls. All right. Now, Vrishali can, of course, edit and click on save. So this is how Vrishali shade got added in the Padlet. Now go back. So now there are other ways, so many ways. I can copy the link to clipboard. All right, I copied, I put it in the chat. Now anybody with whoever clicks on the link can open. Neetu ma'am, what's posting? I'll show you what's posting. I've not yet started posting. All right, I'm just looking at the features which are common for all the Padlet. I'll tell you what is posting. All right. So copy the link on clipboard is simple. Just copy the link. Whoever clicks on the link will be able to edit as in write on the Padlet. Okay. Start posting on the Padlet. I'll show you what is posting. I can share a QR code. So those who have, those who have camera can actually scan the QR code and open the Padlet. Or, if you have, if you're creating some notes and you give this QR code, students will have to scan this QR code and go on the Padlet. It's a choice that you take. You can embed it on a blog or a website. So, for example, you ask your students to create a Google site. I say Google site because it's free. And they create a Google site, and then they create some of their own video, and then you embed a Padlet there where you can give feedback. Constantly, somebody can come and give feedback. Yes, Sarika ma'am, thank you. Okay, you can share on Facebook, you can share on Twitter, you can share on Google Classroom. So Google Classroom integration is also there here. All right. So yes, and like ma'am had shared that, her paid version is now over. All right, now what will I do? I can always save my Padlet as PDF. All right, once the notes and all are done, I can save it as PDF. All right, and then when I delete the Padlet, is okay because I already have saved it as PDF. How will I do it? I can either save it as image or PDF. It's our choice. Save as PDF, publish PDF. So it's getting published. And see, all the notes that were there came down, and now I can delete the Padlet also. I'm done. So those who are using free version can now delete the Padlet or reuse it for another purpose. Okay, cool. Sure. Awesome. Again, this feature is same for all. Yes, Purvi ma'am.
How we can write in this Padlet?
Yeah, that I'll show you. I'm not yet shown that. I'll show you.
Okay.
Now we are done with the basic features that is common for all the kinds of Padlets. Okay, now this is a wall Padlet, right? As you can see, it comes as sticky notes on the wall. How will you start posting? There's a plus button in the bottom. Click on the plus button. Write the subject. Suppose you write hello educators. You can write something here. This session is for educators to learn Padlet. All right. Now I can upload a file from my desktop. I can click picture. I can click photo. I can't do it right now because Zoom is using my camera, but you can try on your system. I can upload any link. Okay, so when I click here, I can okay, I can do a link, or I can do an image search. See, I get so many images. Hello, teacher. Okay, and I click on publish. As soon as I click on publish, my note will come here on the wall like a sticky note. And you remember we selected heart, so I can vote also. And other teachers can also, whoever is on Padlet right now, Sarika ma'am, Gibbon, Thomas, you can select, you can give heart and, you know, select the comment. Samira ma'am. Yeah. Cool. So this is a template of wall Padlet. Any questions here? Okay, then we move ahead. Now we go back. When I click on Padlet, we'll go on the home page. This is how it gets created here, wall template demo. Now we marked it. We remember we marked as heart on the top right corner. It comes in the light wall. So because this is a liked Padlet. Okay. Made Padlet. All right. Now let's make some other type of Padlet. Stream Padlet. Now we'll not see at the, now we'll not look at the features. Okay, now you know what features are, and I'm not getting into that. Stream Padlet. Stream Padlet is simple, like a water stream. So it comes as a conversation. So this can be used, you know, when students have to write some interview. Like you interview the prime minister, or you interview some film celebrity. How will you write? What kind of questions will you ask? Then you can do some role play where teacher becomes a celebrity and students are asking you questions. You know, that is one use case of this. Or you want to have some storytelling happening between two characters, character A, character B. And then that storytelling happens in the form of conversation. It comes as stream. All right. Again, let me share this with you. So some people can type here, and you'll see how it comes as stream. Ma'am, kindergarten specifically, I would not recommend them to type something here. Puri ma'am, this is your question.
Yes.
But what you can do is that you can give your own notes, because you can add a lot of videos, you can add images. So this becomes, and then they can then you can show it while you are teaching.
Yes, ma'am. I'm asking about if we have done some activities on Padlet, then we can share through Padlet with them.
Yes, you can share the pad, like the way I'm
And
sharing
we
with
are-
you, all right? You can share with them.
Actually,
can
we
share
are taking
photos. Yeah.
we are taking classes on Google Meet.
Right.
So like this only, as you have that copied link in chat box.
Same
the
way.
method will be the same.
Same way.
Okay, thank you.
Most welcome. So you see, this is coming like a stream. Once upon a time, there was a boy. Hello, I love going to the market. So again, this can be a story formation also. Right. So, you know, every student have to write one sentence that will build the story. Okay. So these are various use cases of stream Padlet. Okay, cool. Done. Now let's go to the next theme, or next template of a Padlet. Okay, now let's go to make a Padlet. Grid Padlet. Next. I'm not even changing the name. Okay. Now let's explore, right? Then you will only tell me that what's going to happen. I'm copying the link here. You tell me what's different in this, how it is making grids. Okay, I've shared it in the chat. Who is going to enter? I'll write the first statement. And let me add something. All right. Let's add some nice GIF. No, I want images. Or I want GIF. Yes, I want hi. Thank you so much. See, this got added here. Hey. GIF is taking some time to load. So how is this different from wall template? Can somebody tell me? Anybody can try.
I think we can add animation in this.
No, it's the same thing with everybody. And we can add everything in every comment, every posting. Okay.
All in blocks.
Yes, it is
Okay.
falling in blocks. It is falling in only 4 in one row. And it is moving ahead. So if you see the first comment that went down, the new ones are coming up and it is getting arranged in four things. It's a grid. Okay.
Just as a form of thumbnail or something like that. Well, view large icons when we use in computers like that.
So it depends on what you are adding here, right? Because I added a GIF, that's why it's a bigger one. The others are adding only comments. The good evening was an image. So the difference is that it got arranged in 4. The set of 4 comments in one row. That's the grid.
Yeah, the first one was actually going like a trail. One after the
Correct.
other.
In the first one, the wall one, we had 7 things in one.
Yeah.
And then the next one. But here it's exactly 4 and it gets arranged in that 4 4 columns in different rows. All right, good enough.
Hi, Vishali.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah.
This is Sarika.
Yes, Sarika.
Vishali, with one email ID, you can have 3 Padlets free, right?
Yes.
So if you have multiple email IDs, and if you finish with 3, your teacher can be a little smarter, and she can use another email ID to have another 3. In a month, 3?
At a time 3.
At a time means?
At a time means I cannot have more than 3. Even if I try after 4 months. That's the limit that they have for one ID.
One ID. Okay.
Yes.
And what is the paid version which is given for it? What is the charge for the paid version?
So what we have given the 20% off, Valana, you'll have to check. I'll have to check. I don't remember when actually.
Can I
whatever.
add? Otherwise,
Yes, ma'am.
otherwise, if you don't have the goodies thing, then it is 120 rupees per month.
Yeah.
And we can make as many Padlets as we want. But usually for the free version, we can make 3, download it as an image and PDF, and then recreate 3 more. Delete
Yes.
those and create new ones.
I'm going to do that, right?
That's
Because
what
this is my free
initially I
account.
agreed
This
to
is my
do.
free account. So I'm going to show you how we do that.
That's great. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. All right. So this is the grid one. Let's go back. Now I click on make a Padlet. Oh, it's allowing me to make. I don't know how. Okay. Let's do shelf. Now shelf is my favorite. Okay. Because the most important use is this is again used for some higher grades where you can do group activities in one Padlet. You divide your class in groups depending on the number of students. All right. And this is also, this is group 1. Add section. This is group 2. Sorry for the spelling, but group 3. And so on. You can add n number of groups. All right. Or you can add concepts. So for example, you're teaching geography. All right. And you have various kind of habitats, desert and whatever habit. I don't remember. I forgot the names. I'm sorry. But there are various habitats that we studied in one chapter. Correct. Now, if you teach that chapter the way the traditional method, or even if you use experiential and you try to do some activities and things like that, it is very difficult for students to remember all 5 together. But you divide them into groups and give one habitat to each group. All right. And they have to keep on editing. So for example, what I remember is desert. And then in desert, suppose you write animals, the kind of animals found in desert. All right. And they can add images also. So for example, they add a camel. I'm sorry. See, they add the image of camel, and then they write, why can camel live in desert? And they write their points, 1, 1, 2, 3, and so on. They publish. Camel will come soon. I don't know why it's taking some time to load. Then, for example, the clothing. Okay, and again, they can add some image, desert. I'm just putting images to show you how that experience will look like. All right. And they can write clothing examples, or they can click some photos and they can add their own photos. All right. So what is happening? This entire Padlet becomes a reference material for students to refer to. And again, it's because they have made this, they'll be able to present it better. They'll remember it for a longer period of time. And where you are you are the facilitator for students and not the teacher. Students are taking ownership of their learning, right? So that's the best part here. We use this very extensively in our sessions, the longer duration sessions where we have breakout rooms. We use such Padlets where every group is given one particular column and then they enter. And sorry. So they are able to, it's so nice to see the entire Padlet filled with activities and opinions and research that goes by participants here. In this case, participants, but in classroom, it will be students. And they would love it because they will also see that other group is doing, oh, they added some nice pictures. Let's also add nice pictures or some add videos. Let's add links. So yeah, this is my favorite. That's why I'm talking more about it. But this is really a very brilliant use case of this format of Padlet. Any thoughts or any questions that we have here? So we can move ahead.
Ma'am, I just have a clarification to be made.
Yeah.
Like you are talking about the shelf Padlet. So
Yeah.
for example, we are taking up a role play activity. So do you think it would be ideal for the students to post the conversation, the dialogue, which they'll be creating?
Yes, which they will be creating. So this can be more of writing a script, because this will not be a conversation, right? This will just flow like, so I'll just show you ABC. I'll just write random things here. So it will not match. So in role play, it will be conversation A, then conversation B, then third person is speaking, right?
Yes,
this will not work here. This is just for everybody writing their script independently will work.
All right. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, most welcome. Okay, moving ahead. Yeah, so now see my membership, it's asking for pay. So what I'll do is I'll go back. I'll go to say Stream Padlet. I'll download the Stream Padlet, export. So how do you do it? Go on these 3 dots, click on export. I want to export it as PDF, publish PDF. Now I have all the comments here, or all the content here. I have it. I go back to Stream Padlet. Go here again and delete. So what is the process of deleting? I'll show you again. Go here, delete. It gives you a code. So every code is unique. Every time when you click on delete, you will get this code. You have to type it, delete. Now I go to dashboard. I'll be able to make a Padlet now. This is the workaround that ma'am was also sharing, that this is how we can do in the free version. It is a bit, see, it's how we work smartly. We always find our jugards. So whatever suits you. There's no compulsion for anything. All right. Quickly, we have only 15 minutes. So we go to map. I'm sorry. So this again is very, very visual. Okay. So, okay, I have to change. I'll have to show this. There is some difference here. Click on the gearbox. Okay. So see, right now you can see the map style where you can see the greenery and mountain and snow, and this is the format of the map. You can change the format of the map as well. Okay. You want the satellite view, you want the video game view, you want amusement view, or you want a simple Google Maps view, you can use that where the names of the countries are visible. All right. Save. Sorry. Let's have some water. A second. All right. Now, see, there are a lot of use cases of this. I'll give you one where we suppose history. Okay, we are talking about Silk Route. Silk Route, from where it started, then it went through the entire China and things like that. Or you want to teach about a particular city, or you want to teach about a concept. You are teaching math and you want to teach the concept of distance. If you tell a child that India is closer to Pakistan than India is closer, sorry, Mumbai is closer to Rajasthan, sorry, Mumbai is closer to say Bangalore than it is to say New Delhi. Okay, if visually for me, okay, if you say so, I believe you, right? But here we'll be able to pinpoint. So the plus sign in normal Padlets, the plus sign is below. Over here, the plus sign is at the top. Let's click here. So I search, for example, Mumbai, Maharashtra, city 1, publish. So see, it got tagged here. I can reduce the map size. Now I click here, option 2, say Bangalore. Of course, you can add specific area in Bangalore as well. I'm just going to a broader name, city 2. Publish. Go back, smaller, smaller, smaller. So they'll be able to see 2 tags, one in Mumbai, one in Bangalore. Okay, and one more I'm adding. Ahmedabad, for example. City 3. So what is happening here? They'll be able to understand that no, Ahmedabad is closer to Mumbai than Bangalore. This is one example. Or you say, okay, fine. Britishers first, so Portuguese came first to Goa, then what they did, then Britishers came first to this city, then they went to this city, then they conquered this. Or Mughals started from here and then here and then here. So honestly, my history is thoda sa weak. Please excuse me for that. But we can give these examples, right? And we can keep on populating these points. So they'll come to know, okay, it started here, then it went here, then it went here, then it went here. So they can actually have a trail on this. I can add so many cities here. Or if you want to teach them, suppose now remembering World War, I think it's in higher grade, it was in 10th. For World War, it becomes very difficult, right? So you can say, okay, fine, Germany first was with Austria, then Austria-Hungary got, so you can create those tags. Then this became part of this, so allied power and whatever that was. So you can create these tags and they will understand, okay, first this was conquered, then this happened. And so the geographical journey is more visual if you do it here. So map plotting can also be done here. Yeah, exactly. Real-time learning, abstract, absolutely. So yes, this is about the map template. All right. Any questions in map template before we go ahead? All good? Okay. Am I audible? Can somebody raise your hand so
Yes,
that I know it's
yes,
okay,
yes,
okay.
ma'am, audible.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, next I want to create one more Padlet. So I'll have to delete this Padlet. I can delete it from my home button as well. Just click on this 3, delete Padlet, a different code. So 0436. All right, now make a Padlet. This is again very interesting. Canvas Padlet. I'll select. Okay, now Canvas Padlet can be used for creating mind maps. This is for role play that you asked, right? Role play, ma'am, I think the stream Padlet will work for you the best. That's what I can think of. Let's see if this works for you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Most welcome. So for example, you want to say that states of matter. This is your central idea. All right, that comes in. So this is the only Padlet where you can move your move your sticky note. There is no other Padlet where you can move your sticky note anywhere. It arranges according to the template of the Padlet. Canvas is the template where you can move your sticky notes. All right, that's first feature, remember. Now I can have solids. Of course, I can add more images and video. I'm not showing you that, but let's look at the use case. Solids, liquids, gaseous. Then I can have, say, mercury. I'm just typing. I want to show you something. That's why. I can have iron. Now it looks very random right now, right? Now look at this. I can create, connect like this. Okay, I need to change the background. It's very yeah, this is more visible, right? Okay. So what we're doing here is we can create connections. Okay, now I want to connect solid states of matter. I want to connect it with liquids. And states of matter gets connected to gases. Okay, now I want to connect liquid to mercury. So this is how you can create the entire mind map of a lesson plan. Or you can create an entire map. So a student can create their summary of lesson plan of what they have learned in this Padlet. Correct? Or you can have you can have the hierarchy system, or you can have the classification of plants, classification of animals with examples here. And that becomes a ready reference for the students. All right. So you can do n number of things in this canvas. And again, this is move. Okay, you can move. So you can create some nice hierarchy kind of a graph. Iron is a solid. Or you can always deconnect. You can always lose the connection as well. So suppose I don't want to link this. So connect to a post, disconnect to a post. So I can disconnect, remove. Okay, also I can have multiple connections. Now there is no correct answer. I'm just showing you how it is done. So connect to a post, I connect with states of matter. Then I want to also connect gaseous with mercury. I also want to connect gaseous with iron. So I can have one sticky note going to multiple other sticky notes, one to many. So in mathematics, there's a concept one to many, many to one. So all that can be shown here. All right. Yes, you can create a food web. Absolutely. You can create a web. You can create a food web here, food chain here. You can add images and you can create a nice food chain. So lot use cases are there for this format of Padlet. Okay, so
we can have characteristic traits for various characters in literature. I mean, I found it very interesting. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. So this is like supremely useful because here you have flexibility of moving your sticky notes around and creating connections.
Can I ask one thing?
Please, ma'am, do ask.
Yeah, I am not able to rename myself. I'm Shweta. Actually, if we share this with the students and they have that plus icon, they will be able to add their sticky notes, or they will be able to create their different web itself.
They will be able to create both. Okay, so when I share with you, let me share with you. What I'm sharing with you and what you can see is what your students can see. All right.
Okay.
So when you share with them, they will be able to see this plus button also. When they add something, they'll be able to see this 3 dots also. They can connect, disconnect, everything.
Okay.
So this can be like a group activity that you can give to every group. So you can give different Padlets to every group.
Yeah,
okay?
Then different Padlets will have to create.
Yes,
okay.
yes. Group-wise Padlet has to be.
Okay, so if there are 3 groups, then we create 3 Padlets, and then one whole group creates one whole web.
Okay. Absolutely, and then they can present in the end.
Yeah.
Right. So this is more of create a project and then explain it to your peers. Best way to learn. Because when I have to explain something, so now suppose when I have to teach you, I have to practice 10 times so that I can give the best to you. Right. So that will give them more confidence.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. I renamed you, by the way, Shweta.
Thank you.
Okay. Now the last template. I know you all love. Come back. Don't go to the canvas. Come back. We'll be looking at the last template. Oh, I have to delete one more. All right.
Ma'am, tomorrow maybe I will go with the Jiten sir to see all the wall wraps and this.
That's
Okay, Ritu ma'am, perfect. Go with Jiten sir. Good job. Ritu ma'am, I'm marking you on mute. All right. The last one is the timeline template. I know we are almost nearing the end, but no worries. I'll change the background. This is very bright for me. I'll just use a solid color. Okay. Now this is where, this is a timeline template. All right. Okay, I can't move it. Now this timeline template can be used to create your lesson plans, can be used to create hierarchy, can be used to create your stories, can be used to create your what is it, chronological order in history. You can have, or you can write steps of doing something. The steps, for example, remember when we teach algorithm to students, first this, then this, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, this comes in a line. All right, so you can see a plus button here or plus button here. It's okay. And I click here, it'll say okay, step 1, publish. So this is a step 1. Then click step 2, publish. Step 3, publish. Step 4. So what is happening here? Chronology is getting created. So first this happened. Okay, once upon a time there was a grandma and a daughter. The daughter wanted to cross the forest and go from one place to another. They were worried about a big bad wolf. So storytelling is happening at every step. You can add some nice pictures, images, video links, and all that happens. That is storytelling. You can have in history, first this king came and then this king conquered ABC. Then the second king won from the first king and this happened and this happened. So, this is again chronological order you can do. For example, you want to use this in mathematics. In mathematics, you can have, for example, you can just want to write formulas. This one Padlet will be formula, list of formulas for area, mensuration. That's the topic that we have. So area of square, rhombus in one. Then we have area of rectangle, parallelogram, and you will be able to add these. So this is a chronological order where you can use. In literature, it can be used for storytelling. Even in history, yes. Process, absolutely. Om Prakash sir, water filter process in chemistry. Or in metallurgy, extraction of sulfur, extraction of phosphorus, extraction of this, that we can do. Again, simple machines. What are the various categories of simple machine? And from lower complexity level to higher complexity level. Chronology. Decreasing order to increasing order. Chronology, right? So all that can be done in this kind of template. So any questions? Storytelling, yes, Parul ma'am. Storytelling summary works the best. Timelines for invention, absolutely. Constructions. Perfect, perfect. Yes, done. So with this, we are done with all the templates of Padlet. Any questions? I can take up quickly 2-3 questions before we get into other details. I'll be having some hot water. Any questions, teachers?
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yes, Parul ma'am.
This Padlet we have to use in isolation, like it's just a tool in itself, or we can insert this Padlet template in our presentation, like a PPT or something. Is there an option to do that? Suppose if you're giving a timeline, and if I want to insert it into my PPT, is it possible?
So honestly speaking, it will not be before you do it. Before you do it, you will not be able to integrate it. But once it is done.
Yeah, after doing only. When it is ready,
after do it, click a snippet, download it as an image. You have that option, right? Download as image. Download as image and add it as an image in your PPT. Use it in your video. You can use it on Canva, use it on Google Classroom.
Vishali, can't we connect it live also? It works if I embed it there, and if my presentation is connected to the internet,
If you
then the
embed,
Padlet
yes.
would work there itself on
It will
that
work in
screen. I
Google
can work.
Slides. Yeah, it will work in Slides, but it will not work in Microsoft offline one.
Yeah, because then I have used it like that. It works there live also.
Yeah, it will. When you embed it, it works, but it cannot work in an offline document, offline PPT or offline document.
Yes.
Yeah, it does. Thank you. Perfect. Any more questions? I hope these templates will help you in actually taking your classroom to the next level. And my dear teachers, I just have one more thing to share. See, like I said, that we have to upgrade ourselves because we are preparing students for the unknown. And that unknown is actually unknown. We don't even know what we are preparing our students for. But that's why skills is very important. And if we want to prepare our students with skills, we have to get skilled, right? And that's where it is very important to learn as much as we can. Right, with this, I
have a request. If you
Yes.
can take some sessions on online mind maps tools, na? Like MindMaster and all, if you can take something elaborate on that later sometime.
Sure. Thank you so much for sharing. And definitely we'll look into some kind of topics where we have mind maps. So like we did one in Canvas in Padlet, right? You want mind maps in that way, right? Mind map and the Canvas.
Or else if you can
Concept
share the names with us and we can explore in case you later, if you plan to take a session, that would be really good.
Sure.
But otherwise, okay.
Like I said, I'm a very tech geek. Once you told me I have already 5 tools in my mind, I'll see how I can explore and I can take a session on that.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, the combination of mind map and the concept map.
Sure. In fact, we had done this session where we teach the difference between what is a mind map and what is a concept map. Why they're both different and why both are necessary in a classroom. Definitely we can redo this session for you guys. Sure. Done with this, what I would just take a minute of yours before we exit is we have some really nice programs lined up for tomorrow as well. All right. I know you all know this site. You have registered for this program. We have a session on art therapy for well-being of educators. We educators always ignore ourselves. And we say that if we do something for ourselves, we are selfish. No, we are not. And why it is important to take care of yourself is because if you take care of yourself, automatically your classroom will be a different level. And here we are using art therapy. We are using something which is very, very simple and beautiful and colorful, which is art, and how it helps in mental well-being. So I genuinely request educators who are interested to please join that session. On Sunday, we have storyboarding teaching strategy, how you can use story as a teaching strategy. We have augmented live classroom. That's a Facebook live that we have. I'll be, of course, sharing the link of Facebook live. 19th January, we have Kami. Again, those who have done LearnFest, they have got Kami subscription. How you can use Kami in the classroom is the session. Sustainability in action, those are, but yes, this is very, very interesting. So we have a tie-up with 3D Bear. 3D Bear is an augmented reality app, and we are going to have an entire 5-day course on deep learning, and we are going to get trainers from Finland for one of the sessions, talking about what is making Finland education system the way it is, right? We say the best education system is Finland education system. What are the best practices and how they focus on deep learning and how we can inculcate in their daily classroom. All right. So that's there. Yes, Sudeepa ma'am.
Ma'am, is it necessary that you need to use this app only in the mobile?
Which app, ma'am?
This 3D.
3D Bear, they only have app in mobile phone.
So is there any configuration required for the mobile system or something?
I'm not aware of it, ma'am. But if you have this question, what I can do is I can check with them and then can get
yes,
back.
ma'am. During the course also, like the other day on Saturday, I asked, but I didn't get an answer for this.
Oh, because so Mitch was already there. So what you can do is you can join this Facebook Live. It's a free session. On 18th, the CEO, Mitch, who is from US, he is only going to take this session. So you can ask this question. And of course, I'll ask and keep it ready. Okay. So do visit Orange Slate's site, and you have some really, really nice, interesting and small sessions. Like I said, we don't keep really long sessions, and they're not boring at all. We are very engaging sessions. And since you know us, you know that we are very, very happy, smiling people. So you'll like looking at us as well on the screen. So I'll stop sharing my screen. And thank you so much for all your time. I just have just 2 minutes more. Thank you so much for the heart, Sudeepa ma'am. Thank you. Adishri, you there?
Hi.
Adish-
Hi, everyone. Just a second. Can you all see me?
No, we can't see you.
Now you can.
Now we can see you.
Yeah. So hello, everyone. As Vrishali was saying and telling you all about so many courses that are coming up, and I see a lot of learning enthusiasts here. So of course, sometimes keep learning and keep paying and keep registering becomes a lot of task, right? And it is expensive. I know it gets very, very expensive for teachers to keep paying and, again. But yes, learning cannot stop. So here we have something called annual membership collaboration, which I'll be talking about. Just a second. Vrishali, can I share my screen?
I'm sharing it.
Okay, you're sharing it. Okay, cool. So yes, of course, I don't think this bunch of teachers, I have to tell this, they all know it, that yes, if we want to teach ahead, we can't stop learning. Who dares to teach must never cease to learn. And yes, as Vrishali is saying, again, this is Padlet. So there are teachers who are ready, who have accepted the future, the way it is and the way it is not. And they are ready to challenge themselves and take that challenge and take it ahead. But yes, what we need right now is the platform like this. Why? Because there is need for all of us to interact with each other. Who's doing what in class? Like today, I felt Shweta ma'am had lot of things to give to us because she has already used Padlet in her classroom. So we, not just Vrishali, even this became a collaborative learning for all of us, right? With Vrishali also, we had so many people who've used it and we are collaborating our ideas. So again, this kind of platform where we can collaborate ideas become very, very necessary. There is need for discussion, there is need for knowledge share. And of course, at Orange Slates, we are having this kind of platform. So why not use it to best of our possibilities? So again, as Vrishali shared already, that we have multiple topics to choose from. What Vrishali has not yet was able to show you that we have almost 20 self-paced programs which are there on our website. And the cost of which is, on an average, it's a 350 rupee cost that we have. So if you try to do everything, it turns out to be almost 7,000 rupees or something. But yes, if at all you go in for our AMC, which is like, irrespective of how much ever the course is costing, it is 100 rupees. So and there are slabs to it. So yes, of course, earlier our AMC was 25,000, which we have reduced for, this month till 31st of January. It is only for 10,000 rupees and you get 100 tickets for this. So when I'm saying 100 tickets, think of it as a theater ticket, right? When you go to a theater, you have a ticket. Yes, I mean, it's one ticket, one movie for one person. It's the same way, one ticket, one training for one person. And today you feel that, okay, fine, I have taken like 100 trainings, but I don't think, I think today I want to gift my colleague a training for her birthday. You can just pass that ticket to the teacher of yours or your colleague or anybody like that. Or today you can't attend, you can, so what I mean is, in short, it is transferable. Also, two teachers can come together and buy one AMC, right? I mean, so possibilities are great. Just please do not stop learning, keep the learning on. And that's it from my side. And we'll be sharing the form link in the WhatsApp group. So if at all you are interested and you have any questions regarding AMC, you can please throw your questions. We are here to answer your questions. For another 2 minutes, we can answer your questions.
And of course, those who have questions can stay back. For those who don't, of course, thank you so much for attending. And I'll be sharing the feedback form as well as those who are interested for the certificate of this session. I'll be sharing the payment link in the WhatsApp group. And yeah, thank you so much for all your love and support. Thank you so much. And please keep learning, keep upskilling. Don't stop learning. Learning should never stop, for yourself as well as for your learners.
Exactly. That's what we are here for.
And like you suggested something on Mind Map concept map. If there is any other topic that you have in mind, please do share with us, and we'll definitely try something and keep such sessions. Thank you. Yes, Sudeepa ma'am.
Good evening, Adishri ma'am. I'm Sudeepa here, and I have my question to you. Ma'am, in fact, you people, what you are doing is really very great, and many of us are actually benefited. And with regards to the payment also, you told that you have the ticket system, wherein even that 100 rupees for any session, because that is what we are paying for anything other than for CBSE, or might be AIEF, we don't pay sometimes for certain classes. But my concern over here is that, in fact, I had spoken to even Richa ma'am. So what I told is that as teachers, we don't have a huge amount to pay. Okay, so even if I am going to join with another teacher or another 2-3 of us also, might be they will not be ready, or we don't want to, because we feel all those sessions that are there is beneficial and we all want to join that. Yes, do you agree? So my concern was, or the other day when I spoke to, what I told is that if you can give us the installment system over there, that will be a great help for us. This is what I felt, because when I went through it, and this was shared by Matthew sir in the AIEF group, I think I was the first one, or so I will tell, that I commented on the YouTube as well. And at the same time, I went and registered over there. Okay. And later, when I came to know about the payment and all these things, I was like, okay, all these options are good. But then I felt if it was an installment system or something like that, it will be of great help for us, and even many more people will join. I feel that is.
We'll definitely take your suggestion, ma'am. We haven't really yet planned the installment bit, because it's generally an online system. We take payments virtually. So we'll have to still figure out the back end, that how it works.
Yes, I know, ma'am. I know, because you won't be aware of it or something like this. Okay, it's just come into my mind. I just thought, okay, I will share.
What best we can do is we can give you a 50%.
Yes, I do have that. Yes. Yes, I am.
4,500 you can take, in 4,500 you can take 35 trainings, and then if at all you feel that you need more later, you can upgrade your AMC. That's what we
especially for the boot camp, ma'am.
The certification course that you're talking about.
Yes.
Yeah. So we haven't really,
considered or thought
out. But yes, if at all something like that we can do for you all, of course.
No, but this is a valid feedback, like you said, ma'am, because it's not it's not be your question. I'm sure all teachers will have
all
that in mind.
Must be having this.
I think that is something that we can integrate with the bank, and we can have that EMI system enabled. Then I think that should not be a problem.
It's just a little back end, something that we need to figure out, and we'll definitely get back to you, ma'am, regarding.
And thank you, because honestly speaking, we did not even think of it. Thank you so much, because honestly we feel कि 100 rupees ही है ना, मतलब हमारे दिमाग में वही चल रहा था.
See, I am not into all these installment system or anything. Unless and until I have money, I won't go for purchasing anything. Okay, this is what even I have told my son also. But when this came into my in front of me, this is what flashed into my mind. I don't know, because if you give us an option like that, I think there will be many people who will be joining, especially
I'm sure it's a great feedback, ma'am, and thank you so much. And see, we all are, again, I'm telling you, platform like this gives us chance to talk to each other. We can't think of everything.
And trust me, we always say that our platform is for educators, by educators. We are educators at heart.
Of the educators. I'm telling you, by
democracy की तरह है हमारा ये. So हम भी आपसे ही सीखते हैं, ma'am. So because you said this, we'll take it back. Let's see how we can execute this, and we should get back to you in like 10 days or something. And I think it is doable. Doable है.
I was anyways about to call you. Richa did tell me about you. I was about to call you tomorrow. Good that
Yes.
I met you here.
Yeah, when ma'am told your full name over there, then I just checked my mobile. Isn't this the name that was referred to me? Okay.
Adishri.
That's
So we call her Adi.
Adi,
That's
yes.
how we
It's always short form that we like.
So we know each other since I think 7-8 years. So wo Adi ho gaya hai. Acha, Salma ma'am also said that she also suggested that we can have something as
Salma
EMI
ma'am had also suggested. She suggested
She
that time
said
again. I went back to her that it is not possible. Back end issues are there. But, yes.
Pakka. I think this is a
We
valid,
will-
and this is not only for this, but even for our institutional trainings that we do customized training for schools, or even the boot camp that you recommended 2,500. I think EMI is
We
something that
will
we should do.
definitely, we are looking into it and we'll definitely get back to you, ma'am.
Salma ma'am, this is for you.
Thank you. That's the New Year gift.
Awesome.
That will
Great.
get from Orange Slate.
Absolute New Year gift bolo, Lori gift bolo, Makar Sankranti gift bolo, hamare liye to
Yeah,
सारे
for you,
festivals.
ma'am. We are yours.
Absolutely great. Thank you so much, and we'll get back to you.
Shali ma'am and Adi ma'am, I would like to get the more details about this, ma'am, how to go for it. And you said something, you said like we can pair up with somebody. The amount can be paired up. And then how can we I didn't get that actually.
Okay, so ma'am कैसे होगा पता है, आप आपके नाम पे ही लोगे, ठीक है? And then you will send a mail saying that suppose Maheshwari ma'am and say Sudeepa ma'am for example, ये दो लोग मिलके कर रहे हैं, आपके पास 100 tickets है. Now when you इसका मेंटेनेंस एक ट्रैकिंग शीट पे होगा. So you will say okay, ये प्रोग्राम अटेंड करना है 2, ये प्रोग्राम अटेंड करना है 2. After 50 programs, 2 people attending, वो 100 tickets हो जाएंगे. It is just about tracking, तो doable है.
Ma'am, I don't have your phone number. Can I have your phone number?
I have it. Adishri, I have it.
I
have it. I'll send it to you.
So can I? If I get
Adishri will connect with you, and I think she'll give you details of how it will be done. 4 people can also come and buy it. 25 programs each.
Now you said it's for 1 year validity, right?
Yeah, it's the validity is for 1 year.
For 1 year. What if I don't have 100 sessions? If I'm going for a single and there are no 100 sessions done by, hopefully, I know Orange Slates has been doing many sessions.
That we can
100 is less, very
Ma'am,
less.
हम गारंटी कर लेंगे.
हम वो गारंटी कर सकते हैं.
आप AMC खरीद लो, हम 200 प्रोग्राम करेंगे. आप AMC खरीद लो.
We will make sure कि learning हम stop नहीं होने देंगे. हम weekly.
I know. Almost there are more than 10 sessions per month. That itself, like I can see every month. I get to see the calendar and look forward what sessions are there.
Ma'am, in 1.5 years, so we started in June last year. In 1.5 years, we have done 220 programs in 1.5 years.
Okay, that's
also
that is not including self-paced.
Including self-paced.
That is not including self-paced.
Exactly.
Right.
So
when talking about self-paced and live sessions, like live sessions, it might clash with my timings of the school, or my working hours sometimes get extended, and I'll not be able to attend the live sessions. What can I have all those live sessions also self-paced? I really love the self-paced, though there is no interaction here. I can interact self-paced or not.
Ma'am, for every live program, creating a self-paced becomes a bit challenging. But feedback taken, maybe we use the record. See, कैसा होता है कि recording का अगर मैं self-paced बनाऊंगी ना, तो वो experience उतना enhance नहीं आएगा. I can do for some sessions, but not all. जैसे अभी मैं बीच में बात कर रही हूँ, some teacher asked me, वो self-paced में ना, अभी आपने देखा तो you know it.
Sessions are different.
Somebody else doing it will become a bit, अरे यार, पैसे लेके ऐसा recording दिखा दिया. That's the feeling. Even I will have that feeling, and we don't want to give this feeling to our participants. इसे self-paced बहुत ही exclusively बनाए गए हैं, keeping in mind कि okay, 10 minutes, 12 minutes होना चाहिए. A lot of things, thought process has gone in the self-paced as well. And that's
many of the self-paced.
Yeah, of course, you know it, right? And they're very exclusively created, very, I mean, it's structured in a way कि वो self-paced के लिए ही है. And live program, तो we have like full on live, full on interaction, full on question answer happening. So वो थोड़ों को दोनों को marry कराना थोड़ा सा difficult है. We'll see how that can be done. Not committing that, because that's something we cannot do. We'll try.
Like I want to go for it, and I get the recordings personally. If you're recording it, if I'm not able to attend I register for a live session. but I may not be able to attend. So I'm okay if I'm getting the recording of the session.
Yes. So what we are doing now is, see, initially jab hum recording dete the, that was creating some problem. So now we are giving recording for the period of 15 days. Okay. So there is some timeline that, because we see what happens is, honestly, if we share recording and you know कि हमेशा के लिए, then we don't see. लेकिन if there is a timeline, वो कहते ना कि जब तक timeline नहीं देते ना तब तक हम नहीं करते कुछ. Again, it's a learning that we had. So we share recording, but only period of 15 days. Okay,
that's fine, because
then the recording gets deleted from
the recordings will be shared to someone, and those are not paid are also taking an advantage of it.
Yeah,
that also happens, right?
That also happens, exactly.
Till that also it can.
Yeah, we burnt our fingers and we realized that we have to do something about it, and then that's why we are giving that timeline. Again, yes, Salma ma'am.
May I add something? What happened today when you started the session, my internet started lagging and I could not hear you. Also, the first 5-10 minutes we missed. So in that case, I mean, if you are having it on YouTube, then we can see whatever we have missed. That way it helps, because internet lags are quite erratic at times, and it becomes very difficult on these live sessions also.
Again, like I said, ma'am, that
is one of the reasons I wanted some if it is a YouTube also, because we can see and we can get a lot of.
So then YouTube becomes public. Then see, if somebody is paying, suppose 350 rupees or whatever, and then I release it on YouTube, that's not fair on that person.
Otherwise, you
right?
give it to us personally, ma'am.
Yes, we share on our Google Drive.
Share
on Google Drive.
Yes. You can.
Yes, we'll share it on Google Drive. Upload on Drive. We share it with that email ID it is shared. Only for the
you share on Google Drive. We can give a timeline.
15 days. Again, you cannot download that video very specifically for your ID. You can view it online.
That will also do.
Yeah, perfect. That is done. Doable. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Any other?
Thank you so much, and of course, I'll share Maheshwari ma'am's number. Yeah, I'll share Maheshwari ma'am's with Adishri.
The other question is, can I just pay for like 50% of it? For 50 sessions.
Yeah, ma'am, you can pay for 50 sessions also.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, so what I'll do is, Adishri will share. Yeah, yes, Salma ma'am.
There was one more course that I was very interested in, online teaching, that you are doing it for 6,000. There also, I thought you all would do it in installment, no? So we can just, 2 installments would do. We have to take that course, because from the traditional learning format, we are jumping overnight into a new drive.
I didn't know of that 6,000, okay? I know only of that 9,500.
Yeah, 9,500. 9,900 shayad, hai na?
ऐसे ही कुछ है around 10,000 है.
So वो तो specially discounted price है, वरना वो तो 15,000 का है, लेकिन
15
January मकर संक्रांति gift from Orange Slates, इसलिए discount है start है अभी के लिए.
We have Gunjan we have over here. She has created that whole course, and that was her idea behind the course. If she's right here, if you want to know something more about that course, certification course, she's right here with us.
Shali, if you can just give me the screen sharing 2 minutes.
I shall give you, Gunjan, don't worry.
Some days back, even I saw Gunjan ma'am some session. Yes, yourself and Vishnu.
On ethical content.
Yes. Session was very good. We are doing English project now. It helped us a lot.
Yeah. So this is the course we were talking about. Can you see this?
Yes, then we can see it. Yeah.
So basically, it is a 60-hour course, which is 2 batches, weekend and weekdays. So I'll just take you through. It's a 5-module course. So if we are planning to start on 11th of Feb. So by 27th of March, it gets done, where we will have live lectures by expert faculty. You'll actually make a self-paced course and make a live course and put it on, you can put on Udemy, and there's so many, we'll show you all the platforms. Then there'll be 3 levels of assessments, which you'll be doing something individually, you will be doing things as a group, and in the end of the program, that usual, written exam which happens. So we have 2 batches. Currently, we are starting for a weekend batch because most teachers are working. So we are thinking of, second half on Saturday, full day on Sunday, and maybe a Friday,
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, again, I had a question over here, and even in the feedback I had given it. See, when you are telling about the weekend batch and the weekday batch, when I want to join for this by any source or anything, but then the problem over here is that there are some like this evening courses wherein I have enrolled myself already. And this weekend course, like I have my classes on Saturday till 2:30. So when it is a weekend course, no, again, that is a problem over there. So someone has asked me, and then I told that if it can be from 3 o'clock on Saturdays.
That is what we have planned. Exactly, on
Uh-huh.
Saturdays, in fact, we have planned from, I think, 5 to 7. On a Sunday, it is like 10 to 12 and 2 to 4.
Yes,
These
yes,
are 10 to
exactly.
10.
This is it. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So these are so what is the eligibility? It is any, most probably, all of us are graduates, postgraduates, but we have asked for a short video, a 2-minute video of yourself, who you are, and why do you want to, do this course as a selection criteria to, know that, basic English skills, you have basic computer skills. For that, we have just kept, because we want to, keep the quality of this program very good. So we want teachers like you, and not, the complete freshers don't make sense,
And we'll have 25 students only in each batch. I'm sure
Each
Gunjan shared that.
batch,
So
yeah.
25 students only. So it's going to be very personalized and very close-knit group where there is a lot of healthy discussion happening and learning.
Exactly. The discussion, idea of discussion, that everybody is coming with some experience and discussing about what they are doing in the class.
So these are the small, the main headings of the module. So first module you'll learn about yourself, your learning style, multiple constructs of intelligence, some theories.
Okay.
And you
Just one
plan a
sec,
session.
just one sec,
Yeah.
Gunjan. Okay, Adishri and Gunjan, if you can manage. I'm sorry, teachers,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have
you
to drop off and I go to doctor for my medicines. So thank you so much and
Carry
thank
on,
you.
please, ma'am.
And you all please continue. Yeah, please continue.
So in the second module, you will actually devise a lesson plan. We will, we'll show you latest strategies and how to make a lesson plan. You will make your own lesson plan, deliver it. In the third module, you'll put more strategies to it, create assessments and deliver it again. And you will also design and deliver a self-paced course. So we'll obviously equip you with all the material and everything, but you design it, deliver it to people, and you find an audience also for yourself. So later, if you want to put more self-paced courses, you can do it on your own. And then finally, you will make a professional portfolio, which will have all what you have done in this course, before this course, CV, everything it will have. So any questions, I'm always there.
This is.
Are you going to teach us how to? Sorry, ma'am. May I
No
add
problem.
something? Are you going to teach us how to create a personal website for storing all these lesson plans and all that?
Yeah. So that is the portfolio you make actually. So there are these Wix, there is Wix, there are so many portfolio websites. Even Canva, you can make a portfolio, very good portfolio. So you will be doing that.
Are these paid site, ma'am? Paid? Do we do it?
No. Wix is completely free unless you want, you want to remove their
Premium
name in it
version.
and all.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it is free.
Their basic is always free.
Yeah,
These websites, their
always.
basics are free. So I have done my self-paced course on Canva, free version.
Okay, all right. And the Padlet that we did, ma'am. Yeah, carry on, ma'am. You carry on. I'll ask my question next. Yeah.
No. When is this exactly starting, and when is the last day for payment and all?
So by I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow we'll launch it. We'll send you the brochure. We plan to start the first batch on 11th of February.
11th of Feb. So it will be for 2 months.
2 months, yeah, by 27th or 28th of March.
1.5 months.
1.5 months, yeah. So weekday batch takes longer. Weekend, you get a little more time.
Okay.
I'll share the brochure with you, and I think 31st January will be the last day of thing, and the offer is for till 21st Jan.
So, ma'am, that is what is the problem. So January 31st is the last day. We people have already crossed 15th of this month. So every one of us will not be having so much of huge money with us. So this is where we want
We'll
your
surely
help.
consider, ma'am. I'll get
We'll
back.
consider.
Give me 2 days. Give me 2 days time. I'll get back to you.
It's especially for this course that I asked for.
Sure, ma'am.
So
both
case basis we will consider.
Sure.
Thank you so much. And
Thank you so much.
You can always connect with us.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you.